Rose was a busy employee. She always thought about traveling around the world, but it seemed there was no way to escape the office. Eventually, she achieved her freedom when she watched the promotional video of a freelancer website. Now Rose can work online anywhere. At her home, in a park, or even in Paris or Egypt. You can make a lot of stories easily with our new Style Explainer Toolkit. A package contains all the objects and characters you need for your startup business video promo. Now, let us show you another example story. I'm Martin, a busy manager. Today, it's my turn to take a family party. But I'm not ready at all. When my friend Rose understood it, she introduced an application to me with a nice video explainer. It's awesome. I can shop from their online store, and even they will design and prepare my house for the party. After some hard days, it'll be a great party for me. Storymaker Explainer Toolkit. Download now and make your story too.